your system is running very slow or taking too slow to start. So today I will show you the powerful ways to speed up any computer and without installing a third-party application into the machine. So please follow me all the steps and I'm sure your system will begin working just like a brand new machine. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that every week you can get a brand new video from me. So let's get started. So first press window arrow and then tap CLENMG arrow and click OK. So when you click OK, then come back to OK, click OK. So after clicking OK, make sure and mark all these files that have been like in this machine for the amount of time you buy this machine. And then as you can see right now, the total space that this ordinary files, like can you see the recycle bin, all these files that saving what you have deleted from your laptop before it stay in this laptop is not to remove. So what you have to do, as you can see here, I have 1.25 gigabyte. That is the total space these files are taking from my computer. So these things help to make the laptop very slow, like in terms of browsing, in terms of starting. So you have to make sure you remove everything. So click on OK after selecting everything, click on OK. And then are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? Yes, delete. And then you wait, it will automatically delete the file. Now we are done with the first step, and then you will enjoy the following steps. So the second steps, click the see window arrow and tap temp, click OK. You don't have current permission to access this folder, so you click on continue. As you can see, I have so many files in my jump cells here, so many files that need to be deleted. These are the files sometimes when you go to like a website to delete, sorry, to download like application online. These are the file that sometimes come with the application, but it's just in your machine, and sometimes you don't remove it. And these things help to make your machine very slow. So what you have to do is just to select, just Control A, select everything, and then shift delete, click on yes. I have 51 items that have to be deleted, so let me delete it. Continue. So this one cannot be removed, so it's okay. And then let me show you the next steps. The third step is you have to go to window arrow, tap this temp and press OK. I have another file saving here in my machine that you can't even see, so you have to use this command, to find it. So what you have to do, just Control A to select everything, and then I shift delete. I have 902 items. Can you imagine? This is what making your system very slow to run. So you have to remove it. It is going. Continue. So make sure and do this for everything. Just follow all my steps, and then it is done. So the next steps here, you go back to your run window arrow, and temp INT and then CPL.cpl and then click OK. Okay, sometime you find it very difficult to browse on a website. Sometimes on Google, maybe you want to go and search for something, and then your web browser is very slow. So here you're gonna face that problem. So first go to connection, and I okay here, and go to local area network setting, and then make sure that this is not marked, this process center, the process center, make sure it's not marked like this. Remove it, make sure it's not marked. Only this one should be marked as automatic, right? Automatically detected setting. So click OK again, and then go back to that window arrow, and then click OK. You go to advanced setting, restore advanced setting, click it, and then click OK. So when you click OK, it will will remove all this connection that you have with so many websites with the cookies that have all lot of things that sometimes help you when your laptop is coming on, and then it like gets us with that. So it will help you to remove everything. So the next step here, we're gonna go back to your window arrow, tap prefetch, and click OK. Just follow the step. Control A, and then shift delete. And the next step here is sometime when you are starting your laptop is very like slow to start. So what you have to do is come to your search bar, tap task manager, open it up, go to startup, and make sure and like this. Okay, let's assume this app was enabled. So make sure you disable it then. But I did mine already. All of this application is disabled. So if this one like this one is enabled, you have to like disable it. So that's how you can do it, man. And that's how we can make your PC run very faster. So thank you.